Here's what to do if your iPhone keeps accidentally triggering Siri even when you didn't mean to use it. Go to Settings and then look for Apple Intelligence and Siri. On iPhones that don't have Apple Intelligence, this menu will simply be labeled Siri, and the icon looks slightly different. Then go to Talk and type to Siri. On the top, you have the settings for the voice commands. If Siri keeps activating when you're talking, you can turn this off, and it won't launch from speech or voice commands anymore. If Siri keeps activating in your pocket or purse, you can disable the option to launch it by pressing the side button. This is usually the reason for Siri launching accidentally if it happens when your phone is tucked away. Another layer of security to prevent accidental triggers is the toggle for allowing Siri to work when your phone is locked. You can turn this off, and Siri will never pop up when your phone is locked. For me, the voice commands has always been the biggest reason for accidental triggers, and if you have an Apple Watch, you can change the same settings on your watch. Click that like button if this helped you, and subscribe to get quick access to hundreds of easy and quick tutorials like this one.